Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover how to book a hotel in English. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, knowing how to make a hotel reservation in English is a must-have skill. So, let's go over some key phrases, vocabulary, and questions that you can use when booking a hotel either in person, over the phone, or online. Let's get started. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Good morning, I'd like to book a room for next week. Hello, my name is, your name, and I'm interested in booking a room. Do you have any rooms available for, date? Could you tell me if you have availability from, start date to, end date? Are there any rooms available for this weekend? I'd like to book a single room. Do you have any double rooms available? Can I reserve a suite? I'd like a room with a sea view, if possible. Do you have a room with a king-size bed? Is there a room with a balcony available? How much does the room cost per night? Is breakfast included in the price? What's the total cost for, number of nights? Do you have any special rates or discounts? I'd like to book the room, please. Can I go ahead and make the reservation? Could you please confirm my reservation? Could you confirm the check-in and check-out times? Could you repeat the booking details, please? Will I receive a confirmation email? Is there a shuttle service from the airport? Do you offer parking for guests? Are there any additional amenities available? Can I modify my booking? I'd like to change the check-in date. What's your cancellation policy? Making a reservation, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Asking about availability, do you have any rooms available for, date? Specifying the room type, I'd like to book a double room with a balcony. Asking about price, how much does the room cost per night? Confirming the booking, can you confirm my reservation, please? Inquiring about additional services, is there a shuttle service from the airport? Modifying or canceling a reservation, I'd like to change the check-in date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more English learning tips and lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy travels!